Hi, welcome back to the Smellyfish Show. I think the little kid is about to wake up from his 2-hour nap. So let's see what happens.
How you doing? Did I sleep? Was I asleep?
Yeah, you were asleep.
I was asleep.
Yeah.
I wasn't crying. I wasn't crying. Misa wasn't crying.
No.
I wasn't making Misa cry.
No.
It was,
No.
okay. What are they doing? Oh, I would go to the other world. That's alright. I'll go to the other world. I gotta go to the other world. I gotta find the portal. And then I gotta take a people with me. Life sucks.
No, it doesn't. It's just unfair.
Especially when you have Bree in your life.
Does that mean Bree sucks?
No. I'm making me so confused. I said life sucks. And then you said no, it doesn't.
I said it's unfair.
Yeah, especially it doesn't suck because Bree is in my life. And I love Bree. And there's a Bree mine.
I said it was unfair, not good.
No, Bree's mine.
I said it was unfair, not good.
No, it's not unfair that Bree's mine.
No,
Bree's
about
mine.
the life thing.
Oh.
So you called Bree unfair.
The Bree's mine forever.
Am I gonna make you cry?
How do you make a heart? I'm gonna make a heart. I'll go like a dad. I'm gonna like a dad.
Am I gonna make you cry?
I hope you don't make me cry, or else you're not going to the world with me. I thought about myself. I don't need you.
While you were asleep, I found the portal and blew it up.
You said to do what?
The portal. Wait, you didn't let me finish. The portal to down there. Down there.
On the hill?
Yeah.
Well. Okay.
Are you black?
Are you racist?
No.
What are you thinking? What?
Put the stick down.
Look like an astronaut.
That's a no-no. That's a no-no. It's a no-no-no. It's a no-no-no-no-no. It's a no-no-no-no. Are you Yoda?
I look at my grandpa.
Yoda. Hi, Yoda.
I don't want to be Yoda.
Well, you're small. Do you just want to lay down with the JB bear?
The JB bear?
The JB bear.
The JB bear?
The JB bear.
No, I want.
He'll sing you.
I'll hug Bree.
He'll sing you your favorite song.
No, I want Bree to sing me my favorite song. Because I love Bree. She loves me too.
She will come in a few days.
In a few days?
Yeah.
In a few days? In a few days?
But you gotta relax and let the JB bear sing to you.
Fine, I want the JB bear.
You gotta be laying down with it.
Shut the please up. To lay down with me under the JB bear? Under the JB bear? Under the JB bear?
JB bear, baby. Shut up, baby.
I love you too. I do. Shut up. I do.
Hey, Kyle, wake up!
I have to wake up. I was asleep. Let's see what you do. You're making him sad. Make him bad sad. Make the baby sad.
Okay, well, we're gonna go.
No,